Here it is, the brand new 2015 MEV Exocet kit car. This one has the new restyled nose cone, Venom headlights, adjustable height shock absorber set, and our own aerodynamic wishbone set with new bushes, as you can see there. It also carries the instrument binnacle from the MX-5 with our own fiberglass surround and the MEV Exocet fiberglass seats. Let's go around the back. Oh, the price, only $2,595. This is the cheapest and easiest kit car to build in the world. This one has the optional extra stainless steel exhaust can that just fits onto the MX-5 exhaust. Let's go around the side. What a beautiful car. You know what? It looks great, but I wonder what it goes like. It has a 1.8 engine in it. I think this thing's going to be pretty quick. Let's have a look at it on track right now.